What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Infiniti Smart Key remote fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can just set that key to the side for now. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, kind of just below where we pulled that emergency key out of, there's these two small notches right here. What we're going to do is put the emergency key in one of those notches and then twist, and then go over to the other one, same thing. And as you do that, it pops this case apart just a little bit. And at this point, you can probably just pull this apart rather with your fingers. But if not, what you can do is take your screwdriver and kind of just come around the crease of this and just go real slowly and carefully. You don't want to damage the case or accidentally stab yourself in the hand. But work your way around. Once you get it far enough popped apart, go ahead and just pull it apart like that. Now in the back case, we see our battery right here. You can use your screwdriver to help you get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Once you have your new battery in there, go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Put your emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.